So, Heather can cook. What are we making today?
Chicken enchiladas and Mexican rice.
All right, chicken
Enchiladas first.
Enchiladas.
Okay, I'm starting here with 2 quite large single chicken breasts that I've cooked. I cooked them in just bouillon with a tablespoon. Boiled. But you can get a rotisserie chicken and pick chicken off it or do whatever. Just get to cook chicken shredded, that's what you want. Okay. For this, I'm using, let's just say, about
big dollops.
3/4 of a cup of sour cream. Something like that. As you can see, I'm not planning to run out of sour cream during this time of famine.
Dollop of
Okay. We want onion. This is a half an onion, chopped.
Half of a big one.
Half of a good-sized onion. The other half I've also chopped to go in the rice. Okay. We want Mexican cheese. This would be Monterey Jack and mixture, cheddar, whatever you like. I just happen to have bought these bags when they were on sale, so that's what I'm using. Okay.
Soda bag.
It's an 8-ounce bag. I'm going to use about 3/4 of it.
It's a blend.
It's a blend of Mexican cheeses. Okay. Then we want a can of green chilies. This is a 7-ounce can. A 4-ounce can would have been fine if I'd had one, but I didn't. So using a whole 7-ounce can. Okay. Diced green chilies. Sorry. Some black pepper. I don't really want the coarse ground pepper, so I'm just using this. And some garlic salt. I'm also not planning to run out of garlic or onions. My pounds of butter shall not fail me. Okay. And ground cumin, the secret ingredient in all good enchiladas. Now some people will use a can of cream of chicken soup instead of the sour cream.
It's probably good on cumin.
Yeah, it might be. Okay, lots of cumin. You can use a can of cream of chicken soup if you prefer. Sour cream to me has the advantage of having no carbohydrates, no sodium.
Is that good for us?
Okay, mix this all up. Mix it all up and then we'll roll them up. Part 2.
Mexican enchiladas, part 2. Dos.
Okay, so I have a can of enchilada sauce, red enchilada sauce. I've warmed it up in a pan, just so it's thinned out a little bit. I have corn tortillas, which we
How much is
prefer.
in that sauce?
This is a 19-ounce can.
Big can.
There are bigger cans, there are smaller cans, so. And green enchilada sauce is great. I actually prefer it. A certain husband does not. So, okay, I have a baking dish that I've sprayed with Pam, and I have our mixture of chicken stuff. So, tortillas, sauce, pan, chicken stuff. And you soften up your tortillas in the sauce. I warmed it up and then I turned it off, so because I have burned myself many times. And I'll dip a few of these to begin with, both sides. Okay. I dip a few and then I roll rather than going back and forth every time. Okay, fill. I recommend you wash your hands before you start because you're going to be right in there. Whoops, that's a big guy. Okay, now when these are all done, pan full, then I will pour a little extra sauce from the pan over the top. I will sprinkle cheese over the top of that, and I will cover it with foil, which I have also sprayed. Anytime you're putting foil over a casserole to bake it, spray it so that your cheese or whatever on top doesn't stick to it. I will bake it in a 350 oven for 30 minutes.
Muy bien.